so this one is maple for function. Okay, so to type of function, so for example, you have a function of f. Okay, function of f equal to x squared plus 2. All right, so you how I come with this one, I will just use the function given over here. You just press this one. Okay, for example, I put it here and I press. Okay, what will appear is like this. So you have to replace a with x because our function now is x. Okay, and y over here you have to replace with the function that you want. All right, so since we have x squared, so I type x squared plus 2. Okay, so what will appear here is this one. Okay, and then if you want to substitute the function x with 2, so you just put f parenthesis 2, so you will have 6. Okay, if we calculate manually, we can have f substitute by 2, so 2 square plus 2, so equal to 6. So correct. Okay, all right, so this is for inverse function. If you want to find the inverse function for x squared plus 2, so the inverse for x, you have to type fy. Okay, so this is what we learned during our class. So let x equal to y. Okay, so this one, and then solve for y. So what we will have is this equation. So we have two answers for inverse function because as we know that x squared, the square root for x squared can be the plus and minus. Okay, so 1 square root x minus 2, 1 is negative square root x minus 2. Alright, and then this one, if we have, for example, just now we have learned how to do inverse function. So let's say if given, for example, the original function is fx, if given to you x squared plus 2 equal to 8, so what is x? What is x, for example? So solve for x. So how to do that kind of question? Okay, so you just type this one. Okay, solve fx, so equal to 3. So kalau 3, so if 8, so we have to put 8. Alright, so see, we will have two answer for x. Okay, so we have two answer because if square, we will have two positive negative answer. Okay, alright, so if we have the second function g, I just use the same function over here. I just use this one. So since I have g, so I will replace this f with g and then x and the function, right? So this is my g function. If you want to find x equal to 2, you want to substitute x equal to 2, so you just substitute g in bracket 2, so you will get 10. Okay, so if you want to carry a combination of function fx plus gx, you just type it. Okay, and then maple will give you the answer. All right, so same thing if you want to calculate the minus, for example, also can. All right, so just change this one into minus, so you will get the answer. Okay, so if you want to have multiply, also can. Okay, multiply function, you will get the answer. Okay, so divide also. Okay, if you want to have divide. Okay, so erase this one. So divide the function a, where did it go? Okay, so I put it here. Okay, so we have a divide function. Alright, so if we want to have a composition, we just use this one. What is composition of function? Okay, if you remember. Okay, So composition of function, if we have f composite with g, alright, so we should have g substitute into f. Okay, so f g x like this. Okay, so or we will have g composite with f. Okay, so where the function f we will substitute into g. Okay, so this one you just use the alias command, okay, from your calculator and from your keyboard, this one. Okay, so you will get the answer. Alright, so if you want to find f composite x, so just type that one, you will get this one. Okay, if you want to do vice versa, okay, for example, so this one just change into g hash. Okay, you will get the answer. Hash, okay, sorry, typo, f. Alright, so we will get this one. Alright, and then if you want to have 2 inside the x, also can. Okay, you will get the answer. If you want to run back the answer from the beginning, you just press this button. Okay, okay, in case. Okay, so this is how to do function. Okay, so this just normal function, substitution, inverse, and then this is for solving. Okay, so for g also we can have the inverse. If you want the inverse, this is the inverse for g, so you just type copy. I just copy. Okay, for example, where is g, where is g, where is g? Okay, let's say over here. Okay, I use this one. Okay, I copy. Okay, just now, if this is g, so over here we need to change it to g. So this is g function. So we want to find g inverse. So this is our g inverse. And then if we want to find find x if given gx equal to gx. Okay, for example, if for g, okay, so this is a g function. Okay, if given 3x plus 4 equal to 8, so what is x? Okay, what is x? What is x? So this is how. So you solve for g equal to 8. What will the will? Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, 4/3. Okay, so that's all.